We're on the way to the Bat Cave right now. This is where this is how the Paw Patrol gets out of the tower right here. This is insane. Stay in your lane.
Stay.
They don't have to. But you. By the way, I'm not driving. This is not the driver.
This is Tesla.
Tesla, yes.
We're in a Tesla car.
A Toyota Tesla. That's right. Okay.
So check this out. New flavor of Bang. Whole lot of chocolate. WTF, I really hope this tastes like Yoo-Hoo. Let's go. Oh, you love that sound. It doesn't look like it. Yep, banging.
Banging!
Oh my God, guys. It's not quite Yoo-Hoo. It's like tart Yoo-Hoo. But I fucking like it. It's the Missouri River. We're crossing into Casimo.
Get the Missouri sign. It'll be good for the montage.
Oh, it's official.
Bam, 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 bam.
Bam, 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 bam. I don't think we're in Kansas anymore. We've got into the corridor. The enchanted corridor. Kansas City's really nothing but trees. All those pictures you see of like the city, it's all fake. We're the only ones on this road. We must have gone to Silent Hill. It's a pretty nice little display right there. I like that Funko Pop Killers. That's classic poker. Who's this guy? Frickin' vintage stock, always having the loot, making me spend money. Jerks. Is his dad spending money too? At least I'm not alone. Insane. I need to get out of this mall before I spend more money. Frickin' the old Rusty. Novo's been here. Is that even? Is this? This is ridiculous. This is not even. Southern Comfort.
It's a honky-tonk joint.
Oh, dang. Or somewhere. What's up with all that graffiti?
Broadway Oyster Bar.
Whoa.
World famous.
Even though we're not in Denver, we're still bringing you that dope street art. As best as we can, that is. That is awesome. I guess that place is world famous.
Yeah, I just made that up. I have no idea.
I'm gonna say it is. That's the Meineke. That's the Meineke way.
Get in zone. Meineke zone. That's how that commercial goes. All these giant cinder blocks in the roadway. California Rush.
Some kind of a war must have happened here.
There's a box of frozen White Castle on the ground right
Oh. The box looks tainted though. It's open.
there. Oh, it's been sitting in the sun.
It's too bad.
It's sealed. I don't see no open. What are you talking about?
I can't.
Rada Peach investigates.
It's sealed. Nope, there's not. It's open at the back. Someone opened the bag.
Good call. Good call. Good call. The Millennium Hotel.
Whoa.
Nice arch shot. Motherfucker. So it's $20 if they park us. And we trying to not pay $20.
That's right. That's insane. $20 for them to park us. Like a La Parka.
So we will see.
We just got to get checked in and then maybe we find a parking spot. How did we end up here? How did we end up so close to the arch?
I went to the Hampton Inn St. Louis Arch Hotel.
Oh.
To ensure success.
What's up with that arch, the building with the Capitol? Is that the mini Capitol?
Maybe it's the regular Capitol. Drop a comment if we're in the Capitol.
That's right.
No one cares.
This light is taking forever. There's no one coming the other direction. I don't understand. Holy crap, look at this place we're staying at. What the frig? Downtown St. Louis. Look at this freaking ridiculous view from our window. Freaking insane. Wonder what kind of stuff goes on in that stadium.
Monster Jam.
Monster Jam. When's AEW coming? You want to see something crazy? You want to see something not so cool? I wonder what's going on up here. This rooftop looks like crap. Oh, we got a Decepticopter. It's going down.
Live on the set.
Oh man, this is that behind the scenes footage. What the hell are we doing? What the hell are we doing? Stay tuned.
Hot damn. We in the thick of it, boy. Which one looks better? Is it? This is our test video right here. For all these motherfuckers in the comment section. You hold your phone like this.
You just ruined your video.
I'm gonna sit at home and not even make content and complain about things I'm not ever gonna do myself.
I'm not even a part of this amazing experience that we're trying to share with you and me.
Trash. Trash.
For the record, it's easier to hold the phone like this at a concert when there's motherfuckers everywhere anyways. Versus the wider footprint, you know?
And that's inner peace.
And that's the bottom line.
Cause is it said so?
Oh shit, look at this. It's the cube.
Whoa.
I am drawn to this sculpture. This ain't a fucking sculpture. What is this? Content has no way. This is the view of our hotel from the ground.
Hey, buddy. Hey.
What's up?
How you doing?
Good.
You like following directions?
Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button.
You're watching Bonnet Peach Productions.
It's real windy up here.
Yeah. There's a lot of smoke. Something's on fire over there. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it's on fire. There goes the train going away, the little trolley. I got the little end of that trolley for you guys. Little morning traffic. Don't mind Don't mind that stuff in the background. It's all good. Nothing to see here.